Hello, thank you for joining RasPipKr tutorials. I'm RasPipKr, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about Arduinos, which is not normally something I talk about or do anything with. I'm normally everything Raspberry Pi, hence the name RasPipKr, PKR being me, Parker, Martin Parker. So anyhow, I bought a pack of free Arduino Nanos off of Amazon, and it was less than £15. And basically I need to use them as part of my home control heating security system, which I've got a playlist for, so have a look if you want to learn about that. But basically I want to program my Arduino on my Raspberry Pi, and so I'm just going to bring up my webcam, and you will see the Arduino Nano there on the breadboard. Don't worry about the potentiometer, that was because I was testing earlier. Here is a battery bank. The wire is plugged into the Nano, goes around the back of my Oak Pi laptop, and here's the end. And if I plug it into the battery bank, it will do the scripts that it comes with, which is the blinking. And as you can see here, there is a row of 4 LEDs, transmit, receive, power, and a little light that you can turn on in your script to give you some sort of feedback. And I believe it comes with the blink script installed, so that's why it is blinking every second. So that is an Arduino Nano, and if you want to program that, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm just going to bring up my website, so I'm just going to turn off that, bring up Chromium, and I'm going to search for Arduino IDE. Now I've already been to this site, I've installed it already, but if you want to get it, this is how you can get it. So search for it, and I'm going to click on the link to get to the software. If I scroll down, you've got choice for Windows, Mac or Linux. Now because the Raspberry Pi is Linux and it's ARM based, you would click on this one here. So you click on that, it brings up the next page. If you want to contribute, or you can offer some money, or you can just download it. So you click there, and then you get a pop-up down here, but I'm going to cancel it because I've already got it, and it's gone into my downloads folder. So I'm just going to close that, and when you get it to your downloads folder, it comes through like so. If you right click, extract to, you can set wherever, or like me, I just put extract here, and it brings up a folder like so. Whoops, it's because I clicked it too short. And then all you need to do is click on the install sh, and then execute in terminal. A little window will pop up and it'll say it's going to install stuff onto your desktop. I'm going to cancel that because I've already got it. Close that. And when you've got it installed, you can then go to your programming, and your Arduino IDE is down here. So I'm just going to bring up the software. I'm just going to down power the Arduino from the battery bank. And as I'm not going to be using my webcam, I'm just going to unplug that from the Raspberry Pi, and I'm going to plug in the the Arduino lead. And then you need to go to Tools, select your board. I've already set it to Arduino Nano, but it might sit with a a dot next to another board when you first initialize the software. So it's clicked onto there. That is the processor that it comes with, so that's for the Nano. It may work for the others as well. And basically when you go onto here, select the USB as I have already, it's recognized that. And now if I go to file, I can upload a script. So it's already got the blink on there, but if I do the read analog, which was already on screen, that's why it's not changed, but you can verify it, which it should be verified already because I haven't done any changes to it and it's an example, so it should be all there. And now all I need to do is click on upload, and you'll notice down here there's a progress bar, and there we go, it has now got the programming set in there. So that is how you can get your Arduino to communicate via a Raspberry Pi. So that's it for this video, but the next video I'm going to be using this script and doing a quick test using the potentiometer that was on the breadboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you can, that would be fantastic, and I'll see you in the next one.